now I want to summarize some of the things and mention general principles when you use spectral Doppler and color Doppler. First of all, always optimize your 2D image before you use any of the two, color or spectral Doppler. Look for aliasing in color Doppler and also in pulse wave Doppler because that will show you where the velocity exceeds the limit. It will show you usually where a pathology or a jet is. Optimize the image and especially the size of the color box so that you get a very high frame rate. This is extremely important because it will make it much easier to detect a jet and to assess its severity. Use multiple views. Especially jets can be oriented in all sorts of directions. And if you move around a little bit and move towards the jet, then you will usually get a much better appreciation for the pathology. And finally, if you use continuous wave Doppler or pulse wave Doppler, always use color Doppler as a guidance. In other words, place the color Doppler box, see where the jet is, and then place the sample volume right through that jet.